guys, in this video we're going to be looking at states of matter, solids, liquids and gases, before thinking about physical and chemical changes and finishing off with a summary.
In chemistry, we often describe what is known as the state of a substance, where there are three different distinctive states of matter, which are solids, liquids and gases. In this diagram you can see on the left-hand side a representation of a solid, with a liquid in the centre and a gas within the balloon on the right-hand side, although the balloon itself is a solid. It's often useful when writing equations to represent chemical reactions, to note down whether the reactants and products are solids, liquids or gases, and you can do this using what is known as the state symbol. The state symbol for a solid is a small s in brackets. For a liquid you use a lowercase l in brackets, and for a gas it's a lowercase g in brackets. These state symbols can be written after the chemical formulae for the reactants and products in a balanced symbol equation. The state that any substance is in is going to depend on the strength of the forces in between the particles that make up that material. For example, if we consider oxygen, we know that oxygen exists as a diatomic O2 molecule. This O2 molecule is made up of two oxygen atoms joined together by a strong covalent bond. But this strong covalent bond isn't what matters when thinking about whether oxygen is going to be present as a solid, liquid or gas, as this strong covalent bond will be present within solid oxygen, liquid oxygen and oxygen as a gas. Instead, what state the oxygen is in is going to depend on the forces in between these oxygen molecules, where the forces in between the particles that make up the material are known as intermolecular forces. The strength of these forces will depend on a number of factors, the first of which is the structure and type of bonding that's present within the material. In the example we just looked at, oxygen forms what is known as small covalent molecules. And on the left-hand side of this diagram we can see an image representing small covalent molecules. Small covalent molecules are small molecules typically containing between 2 and 10 atoms, where the covalent molecules are held together with strong covalent bonds. If you've seen our video on covalent bonding, you'll know that some covalent substances instead exist as giant covalent lattices, which contain a much larger number of atoms.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.